Okay, so I've talked about ways to make health insurance portable, tort reform, preventative care, but that's only going to drive the price of healthcare insurance down so far. So what else do we need to do to really give those people who are struggling to afford health insurance a little more opportunity to buy health insurance? I'm a really firm believer that you reap what you sow. You have to save money, folks. This is a country where things are not just given to you. You got to have some planning, and you got to have a little personal responsibility in how you manage your finances in this country. So what I'm getting ready to suggest in this video and the next one is, I'm not going to say it's a back end advantage, but it's kind of what it is, to be quite honest. It's not going to help you right now. It's not going to give you money to go out and buy health insurance, but it's going to help you come the end of the year. It's going to help you long term. So the first thing really is, again, tax breaks. All of your health insurance premiums that you pay via work, or on your own, you got to be able to deduct those from your taxes. If you're self-employed or small business owner, or for that matter, even a large business, you should be able to deduct the premiums that you're paying in off of your taxes. I mean, there's really no sense. It's not income for you. It's something that you're doing to benefit the overall good of the community, yourself, the well-being and the general health of your workers, your family. So it has a very large impact on our community, our country, and all of our well-beings as a whole. So you should get a tax break for that. The additional tax savings that you get, it's not going to offset the entire price of the premium. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but you've got to understand, you got to have responsibility. And I understand some of you out there, you make less than $20,000 a year. A lot of you probably make less than $15,000 a year. Some of you make $100,000 a year. So we're all in various financial situations. But every one of us, regardless of how much money you make, you have to have responsibility. And what a lot of people fail to understand is actually the more money you make, the more responsible you have to be in handling your finances, or it's going to get out of control really, really fast. Someone told me a long time ago, you're always going to spend what you make. And I think that goes with the adage a lot of Americans have. You can't take it with you, or maybe it's the one who dies with the most toys wins. I'm not really sure, but we all tend to spend every single penny that we make. Save some really, really, really rich people who invest the money, and people like Bill Gates, who quite honestly couldn't spend all of their money in their entire lifetime even if they wanted to. But those people also give a lot of their money away to charitable causes. So have some responsibility. Let's give these folks some tax breaks on the back end when they're doing their taxes the following year, including businesses. I mean, cutting taxes is the way to spur the economy.